Yan, excited si Kaling mag-unbox. Unbox o unplastic? Ano ba talaga? Tapos, biglang nainip ang bata. Tinawag ang mama. Nainip.
What is that? What, like this? Open it. Open it. Show it to mama. What is that?
No. It's a pin.
Ano daw?
Pin.
Huh?
What is that, Kali?
Papa holder.
Tripod holder. What color? What color?
Red.
Red. Wow. You show it to mama. How about the other one? You open it? Wow.
In-order ko po yan guys online sa Wish. I-mention ko po kung magkano po yan guys bago matapos ang video.
Wow. Is that how it works? Is that how it works? Okay, I'll have a look. Show it to mama. Show it. Nice.
It's a tripod holder. Yep.
Mini
then this
octopus
one.
smartphone holder. $4 po siya. In-order ko siya nung September 23. Pero kadarating lang kahapon. 3 weeks din siya. Yep. Phone holder. Phone holder.
Mine.
$4 siya. Ayan si Kali. Ginawa ng laruan yung ano ko. Kali, don't break that please. Come on, give it to me. Kali, give it to me. Ilang box ni Kali nung una. In-order ko rin to online. So, yeah. Ito. Pop filter. Sabi dito, the pop filter microphone pop screen is an effective studio tool for controlling excessive P and B consonants and for controlling excessive breath noise. Cool. In-order ko po siya online nung September 23. Tapos dumating 2 weeks after. I think it's $7 siya. So, not bad. Ito po siya. Yeah. Present. Okay, do you want to open it? Okay, just wait, okay? We'll go get some scissor, okay? Okay.
Hugas yung time na in-unbox ni Kali yung pop filter. Super excited si Kali. Antayin nyo lang guys kung anong mangyayari dyan. So, yeah. So, ayun, nahulog.
What's that?
I know.
Huh?
It's open honey. What is it? What is it?
Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. What is it?